Hello, my name is Kelsey Rafferty, and today I'd like to talk about emotional intelligence. But first, let me tell you a story about Dr. Miller. She is a specialty heart surgeon and has been directed to give a possibly life-saving surgery to a young 8-year-old girl. Although the surgery could save her life, there are many dangers as it is a risky surgery and if done incorrectly, could kill the patient. This 8-year-old girl is Jeanette Miller, Dr. Miller's daughter. Although a well and successful surgeon, Dr. Miller is worried about the risks of the surgery and is hesitant to proceed, as she has a strong emotional bond with this patient and doesn't want any harm to come to her. In this case, however, Dr. Miller is the only one that could execute the procedure. Dr. Miller is currently combating something called emotional intelligence. This is, simply put, the ability to understand, express, and manage one's own emotions. As a surgeon, Dr. Miller is called to practice emotional intelligence by stepping out of the parental role and strictly take on the role of doctor. This allows her to think clearly and solve problems well under pressure. Think of a recent time when your emotions got in the way of your work. Maybe you were under an immense amount of stress. In times like these, we should step out of the role of participant and look through the lens of an observer. Doing this allows us to think more clearly as we rid ourselves of the emotional components involved. This practice is a form of soft skills. These are skills such as personality, attitude, flexibility, motivation, and manners that allow you to act professionally and fit to perform in your workplace. Exercising these soft skills can include practicing self-regard. Try looking in the mirror and accepting yourself for who you are, flaws and everything. Flexibility, the ability to transition your emotions from one state to another. Assertiveness, being direct and saying what needs to be said when you need to say it. Impulse control, the ability to control your emotions and not letting them overcome your temptations to act in a negative manner. And finally, social responsibility, giving back to others and lending a helping hand. Just like any sport, strength can only happen when you practice and use those muscles. Think of your emotional intelligence as a muscle. The only way to grow its strength is to practice and condition it. When you practice your emotional intelligence, you grow your ability to perceive, express, and manage your own emotions. Be aware of others' feelings and help establish strong relationships. And use the information provided by your emotions to act appropriately in the face of challenges. The more you understand both your emotions and others, the better your professional and personal lives will be. Let's review. How should Dr. Miller practice emotional intelligence as she is scared to operate on her daughter? First, she should understand, express, and manage her emotions. Second, Dr. Miller should step out of her role as parent and step into her position as surgeon. Third, she should practice her soft skills. In this case, she would practice self-regard and evaluate her confidence in herself as a surgeon, as well as social responsibility, as it is her job to operate on this patient, her daughter. And fourth, she should continue to practice these skills until she grows stronger in her emotional intelligence. Thank you.